Ever feel like your money just disappears into a black hole? You work hard, earn a decent paycheck, yet somehow, the bills always seem to outpace your income. Fear not, warriors of finance, for budgeting apps have arrived. But with a plethora of options, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we enter the budgeting arena, pitting two titans against each other, pocketguard and YNAB. You need a budget. Let's see which app throws the most financial knockout punches. But wait. Before we dive in, a quick question for you. Have you ever heard of the Expensify card? It's a corporate expense management tool, and guess what? They have this thing called an unbundling fee. Basically, if you don't use their card for a certain amount of your spending, you get charged extra. Not ideal, right? Anyway, enough of that detour, let's get back to our budgeting battle. The philosophies. pocketguard takes a straightforward approach. It tracks your income and spending automatically, categorizes everything, and shows you how much spendable money you have left each day. It's like a mini bank account built into your phone, constantly nudging you towards responsible spending. YNAB, on the other hand, employs a method called envelope budgeting. You assign specific amounts, like virtual envelopes, to different spending categories like groceries or entertainment. This forces you to be proactive with your finances and consider where your money goes before you spend it. User interface simplicity versus control. pocketguard boasts a clean and user-friendly interface. It's visually appealing and easy to navigate, making it perfect for budgeting beginners. However, some might find it a little too basic. You can't delve too deep into customizing categories or setting detailed financial goals. YNAB takes the opposite approach. It offers a ton of customization options, allowing you to create detailed budgets and track progress towards specific goals. This level of control can be empowering, but it also comes with a steeper learning curve. Features the built-in tools for financial fitness. pocketguard keeps it simple. It offers features like bill tracking and reminders, but it doesn't go much further. YNAB goes all in. It has features like debt management tools, goal setting, progress reports, and even a feature called YNAB Assist where you can chat with a budgeting coach. Cost-free versus fee-based. pocketguard offers a basic free plan with limited features. Upgrading unlocks features like bill pay and custom categories for a monthly fee. YNAB doesn't have a free plan, but it offers a 34-day trial period. After that, it's a yearly subscription fee. The verdict, a draw depending on your needs. So, which app wins? Honestly, it depends on your budgeting style and needs. pocketguard is perfect for those who want a simple, easy-to-use app, prefer an automatic approach to budgeting, are comfortable with basic features. YNAB is ideal for those who enjoy a high level of customization and control, want to set detailed financial goals, thrive with a proactive budgeting method. Ultimately, the best way to choose is to try both apps. Many offer free trials so you can get a feel for their functionality. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy budgeting.